In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate the area of a parallelogram. With the example on the left-hand side, I've got a parallelogram with a base of 15 and a perpendicular height of 9. Now I can tell that this is a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal, and there are no right angles. So to calculate the area of a parallelogram, all I do is base times by height. 15 times by 9 is 135. Because the original dimensions were measured in centimeters, the area will be measured in centimeters squared. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With this example, I have a base of 13 and a height of 6. So to calculate the area of this parallelogram, I'll do base times by height, so 13 times by 6. 13 times 6 is 78, and because of its area, it will be measured in centimeters squared.